Hello everyone and welcome to Decito MCBM. Today we are continuing with the GCSE Biology course following the national curriculum of the United Kingdom. Today's episode is on cytology, which is the study of cells, important for later on when the topic is developed. So, what is a cell? A cell is a building block for all living organisms. In the human body, you will find around 200 different types of cell, each slightly different in order to carry out a unique function. This is known as adaptation. These cells can be adapted in shape or size, but also in what's inside. Inside cells are very tiny structures called organelles, each with crucial roles such as to provide energy or to protect the cell from external invaders. First, however, let us look at what is known as organisational hierarchy. As this diagram shows, a cell is arranged into sheets, known as a tissue. The cells in a tissue work together to carry out its function on a larger scale. In this case, a single muscle cell cannot pump any blood around the body, but a large group of them is able to. The tissues are then arranged together to form an organ. Each organ has one unique function. The heart, for example, pumps oxygen-rich blood around the body and oxygen-deprived blood back to the lungs. Then a group of organs working together is called an organ system. Finally, with many organ systems, we have an organism. Leading on from the previous episode, we only know this because we have the ability to see very small things with microscopes. When studying cells, we can use either a light microscope for seeing cells within their tissues, or an electron microscope to see organelles within the cells. Finally, we come on to the previously mentioned organelles. As before, an organelle is a structure within a cell. As we are only looking at animal and plant cells for now, we need to know of 8 organelles and their respective purposes. In an animal cell, there are 5 we need to know: the nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondrion, cell membrane, and the ribosomes. In a plant cell, these 5 are present, but they also contain 3 more, only found in plant cells: the cellulose cell wall, chloroplasts, and the vacuole. As seen, the nucleus contains genetic material and controls the cell. The cytoplasm is where chemical reactions occur, and it also holds the shape of the cell. The mitochondria is where respiration occurs, which provides energy for the cell. The cell membrane controls what goes in and out of the cell, and the ribosome is where protein synthesis occurs. For ones specific to plant cells, the cellulose cell wall supports the plant cell when turgid. The chloroplast contains chlorophyll, a light absorbent green pigment used for photosynthesis. The vacuole stores cell sap, a mixture of water, sugar and salt. It also helps keep the cell firm and rigid. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has contributed to your knowledge of the key concepts in biology.